During a Thursday plenary session, the Nigerian Senate made a significant decision regarding the proposed increase in electricity tariff. The session was marked by intense debate surrounding the report of the Senate Committee on Power, which had been investigating the planned hike by distribution companies. Diverse perspectives emerged during this discussion, reflecting the complexity and importance of the issue at hand. Ultimately, amidst the varied viewpoints expressed, the Senate arrived at a pivotal resolution. Further consideration of the committee's report would be suspended. This decision stemmed from the recognition that the matter was currently undergoing legal scrutiny, having been brought before the courts. This acknowledgment of the legal proceedings led the lawmakers to conclude that any deliberation on the report would be inappropriate, as it could potentially interfere with the judicial process. This position was underscored by Senator Titus Tartenger, who highlighted Order 52 of the Senate Standing Rules, which prohibits the discussion of matters before a court of law. Senator Jimoh Ibrahim lent his support to this stance.
A federal high court in Kano has issued an order restraining the NEC from implementing the new tariff. The suit marked FHC CNKS 144-2024 was filed by Super SAC Company Limited and BBY SACs Limited. So this matter is pending in court, and I endorse the Senate to avoid any further debate on this matter until the matter is finally decided. Thank you.
This report, on the ground, let me make my point, on the ground that is subjudice. In fact, why are we debating it? The whole, look at the number of we are in the Senate, less than 1/5, and we carry a report that is of national interest, and less than 1/5 member are discussing it, despite the fact that it's pending in a court of law. We will be unfair and we will be unjust to continue to debate simultaneously a matter that is pending in court. So I also encourage this very motion moved by my brother, that in view of the fact that the matter is pending in court, would you step down this report for now?
The suspension of the committee's report was a significant procedural move, guided by the principle of respecting the rule of law and avoiding any actions that could prejudice ongoing legal proceedings. This decision was particularly salient given the contentious nature of the issue and the implications of the proposed tariff hike on the Nigerian populace.
Order, because I need
reference.
I need to rule on that order.
Yeah, but let me give you the whole order, because he took part of the order. In the opinion of the President of the Senate, not just that you stop anything.
Although there were dissenting voices within the Senate regarding the suspension of further deliberations on the committee's report, Deputy Senate President Barau Jibrin ultimately wielded his authority to uphold the resolution. His role in presiding over Thursday's plenary session underscored the importance of maintaining procedural integrity and adhering to established rules, even in the face of differing opinions.
In the process is the chairman of the Rules and Business Committee. I think, having raised the issue by the chairman of the Rules and Business Committee, we need to tarry a while, go with his observation, and then try to give time to consult our legal department to see if we can continue. This is my opinion, I cannot disregard the suggestion or the observation by the chairman of Rules and Business. That will not be fair. So we are not saying that we will not continue with the report, but let's stand it down until we resolve the legal issues involved. Your order is sustained. So please, let's leave a while, and maybe by next sitting we can conclude the process after taking the advice of our legal department.
It's noteworthy that the case regarding the electricity tariff increase is currently before a federal high court in Kano. The Senate's decision to refrain from further deliberations on the matter reflects a commitment to upholding the principles of justice and fair legal proceedings. By respecting the sub judice rule, the Senate seeks to ensure that the integrity of the judicial process remains intact and that all parties involved have a fair opportunity to present their arguments. In conclusion, the Senate's suspension of further consideration of the committee's report signifies a recognition of the importance of legal due process and the need to avoid actions that could undermine it. This decision underscores the Senate's commitment to upholding the rule of law and ensuring that matters of public interest are addressed in a manner consistent with legal principles and procedural fairness.